Man, oh man. Hey, I'm gonna take the battery out. I wish I showed you what it was doing. I didn't even think about it. Well, a lot of people don't know how to change batteries and so forth, but yesterday my wife came home, parked, went in the house for about 10-15 minutes. Went back outside as me and my friend was heading to work. I was backing up myself, she jumped over a car, looked like she was pissed. Rode Brenda down and said, "What is it?" "My car won't crank." So I got out. What the heck she done? Walked over there, stuck the key in the ignition, turned it. Lights came on, no sound. Lights went off. Well, me and my buddy went to jump it off. Wouldn't jump off. I said, usually a dead battery to do that. I mean, a super dead battery. Well, I put it on charge when I got home this morning, about 5:30. Went to bed. She called, got me up about 6 hours or so. It was on charge. Came out here. I thought, I know it's going to crank now. I can take it up here to O'Reilly's, get them to check it out for me. No, it wouldn't crank. So I had enough juice so I could push it forward. And I wish I got a picture of how I rigged it in here, but I got rigged in, park where she usually does. But I got rigged back out, push her car forward where she usually parks at. Took the battery out. I wish I took a picture of that, but I didn't. That's where I put this one back in. I thought, you know what? I better show some of these people how to do this. Well, I didn't have my stenches there, so I had to undo the air breather. So I get my ratchet down there, tighten that little keeper in place. And when I get ready to put these on, I'll show you. But right now, the thing I'm doing is trying to hold this up and, excuse me for my video quality, but it's just me. Trying to tighten this baby up. It's hard to do one-handed, but don't want to over tighten it, but you gotta get it tight though. It's probably gonna take me several minutes for this, so when I get ready to do the turners hooking them up, I'll show you in just a second. I'll see y'all in a second. Well, we really got that tightened up. Got the breather cover back on. Now let's pop that one in. Get that down. Alright, come on, baby. We're going to have to use two hands, but we got pop that one in. Oh, that one's easy. Well, it's going to be a pain, it looks like, but I have two hands for this one. It looks like that. Nope, I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got my battery shield box. That's fit. It's the same size battery I got out. This is a reverse battery. Reversed on it. If I hadn't got that, I'd possibly been here and they'd have been here. That wouldn't work for this car setup. Yeah, I love these Hyundais. Got your protective cap on positive, make sure it don't touch and spark and short out. Okay, positive on, ground on. And these are very funny looking. All the way down. Oh, yeah. Seems to be all the way down. It's all the way over, all the way over. I'll go all the way down to the ground for my likings. Oh, that's looser than what was good. That was tight. I don't like that tight. They're pretty tight, but so I got the battery locked in place so it won't move now. It always loosen up if I need to move it over, but well, that's gonna be good. Let's see. That keeper bolt down there, everything was millimeter except for on that, it was a half standard. These bolts right here are 10 millimeter. just get off subject for a second. Yesterday also, my daughter been having a flat tire every about 3 or 4 days. That back right tire. Well, I went out here going to take the lug nuts off of it, and man, someone put these on too tight. I hate them air impact wrenches. Well, they threaded. They stripped the threads or cross-threaded. I was trying to say cross-threaded. Yeah, I love speech problems. Damn it. Anyway, they cross-threaded them, and I was getting them off, and they get even with the end of the stud, and hard as a rock. I got 2 off. The third one, the stud broke. Well, on my break at work last night, after looking at how much battery's gonna cost me, if it's the battery, it's Tucson Hyundai. O'Reilly carries those the studs for $2.49 a piece, plus tax. Well, I'm gonna get 5 of them, but they didn't have none today. They said they have a shipment coming in sometime tomorrow. So this Saturday, I'm gonna be spending time thinking to reel off. If lugs break, they break. I'm going to drive them out with a hammer, put them around. Anyway, I'll show y'all that video when I get it uploaded. Let's get back to the battery here. I'm getting tired. All you gotta do is just tighten these babies up. Don't want to over tighten it because that is lead and it will strip very easily. Tight. It don't take much to tighten these babies down. Okay. That baby is tight. That baby is negative tight. Positive tight. And you want to make sure. You see the little negative sign and the positive sign. You want to hook that butt backwards because if you do, you're going to blow your fuse link in there. And when you do that, it will be a mess. If I can get the right keys in my pocket. Let's let this bad boy start up. I hope it does. If it ain't something else. There we go, folks. That baby fired up, and then she's going to reset everything. But I did my part. Thank you for watching my videos, and you know what? God bless y'all. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you want to, you can share it. I know some of my videos don't make much sense. Some of them funny as all get out. Some of you sitting there scratching your head like, what the hell is he talking about? But just remember, folks, I'm doing this just for fun. If you get a laugh out of it, good. If you get some information out of it, hey, that's even better. But all it boils down to is I'm having fun, and that's what counts. Like I said, God bless y'all and have a great day.